Awesome. Hello, everyone. Good evening, and thank you for your patience. We have Mr. Amit Kumar Singh here with us today. He's one of India's leading aptitude trainer. He's going to break down aptitude into the simplest form for you today, so that you are better prepared and ready for your placement exams, whatever comes. And by the way, whatever questions or doubts you have, do feel free to join the Discord channel and ask your questions. He will also share some assignments and tests that you could take to prepare for this. So, being India's leading trainer, he has taken his time to be here with all of you. Please, whatever questions, whatever doubts you have, please ask and be clear in this aptitude, because that is one of the first rounds that you have in your placement journey. So, I'll hand over the session to Mr. Amit. Sir, thank you for doing this session, sir. Thanks a lot. I'll hand
Thank
over
you,
the
Yogi. Thank you, Yogi. Thank you, everyone. I'm very sorry, guys. I just got stuck up with traffic. So because Bangalore it rain anytime. Yeah. So we are good to go. I hope you can see my screen. Correct, right? Everyone can see my screen. Yes or no? Okay, I cannot see your chat.
Sir, it's visible, sir. Screen is visible. Don't have to worry. You're on mute, sir.
I'm very sorry. So I hope now everyone can hear me and they can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Yogi. And so for seeing their comments, I have to come here and I can check there, right? Okay, no problem. I'll come and keep coming here and seeing the comment, guys. So I'm gonna start my class.
So,
In
so what I'll do is just to make it easier, if there are
huh,
any questions, I will
huh.
pause the session and ask those questions to you. So don't worry about it.
Yeah, that would be great help, Yogi.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
sir. Not a
yeah.
problem.
Okay. So thank you, Yogi. Thank you, everyone, and thank you for your patience. So let's start the class. So before I'll start the class, I just want to understand certain perception in your mind. Like if you are living in the world that possibly calculator can solve many of your problems when it comes to solving quantitative aptitudes and reasoning sections of various placement exams, or if you are looking for management based cat or zat or atma or any other exam, or if you are targeting going abroad and trying for gre, whatever is your perspective. But definitely I can ensure you that if you can work on vedic maths technique or speed mathematics technique, that will definitely help you and probably excel yourself in the world where you can do calculation without calculator. So here in this first session, I'll start my session with basic arithmetic, where we'll discuss on the concept of percentages. Okay, so percentage is one of the very important topic when it comes to arithmetic, because based on the logic of percentage only, we can solve the questions of SICI, simple interest, compound interest. We can solve the questions of profit or loss, time and work, time, speed and distance, many other sections of quantitative aptitude, arithmetic, be it algebra, you can easily solve if your basic knowledge on percentage is good. Even then, percentage also help you to excel in the field of data interpretation. So when it comes to data interpretation, you'll get questions based on graph, charts and all, and where you need to analyze those figures. So there again the logic of percentage will come in picture. Again, in your general sense also, possibly from a day-to-day life, percentage holds very much value. Like now Diwali is gonna come, so in Diwali you'll find lot of product giving you discounts. Okay, so there again, if you have basic knowledge about percentage, you can quickly make a decision. Like if I ask you very basic question, that if you get a 10% discount, okay, suppose you went for shopping and you went got 10% discount. Okay, and then again if you said that you are Amit Sir student, and then you get further 10% discount. So if I ask you 10% discount plus 10% discount, if somebody is giving you, so actually how much percentage discount you are getting? So you're actually getting 19% discount. So you're not getting 20% discount. You have to understand this. So I'll give you an example. Like if something is of 100 rupees, and if you're getting 10% discount, means this 100 rupees, 10% would be somebody is trying to erase 10 rupees from that, so it will become 90 rupees. Okay, then again if somebody give you 10% discount because you are a Amit Sir student, so now you will get a discount of 9 rupees. So actually how much you are paying to buy the product? You're paying 81 rupees. So actually how much discount you got? You got a discount of 19 rupees. This is what I'm trying to explain you. So when you solve questions on quantitative aptitude, when you're sitting for certain exams, and so you get very basic question based on our general day to day life events. Okay, you're not gonna get something very unique or something maybe out of space arithmetic. Nothing gonna happen. Things will be very simple, but may or may not be you would have noticed or not noticed. So like that thing come in picture. Like if I ask you what is the square root of 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1, if I ask you what is the square root of this, so if you are very good in maths, if I'm assuming that you are from engineering background, so what you will do, you will see this number. So you have done this kind of calculation in school. Okay, so what you will do, you will make a pair. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is what we have learned in the school. I have also learned the same thing. Like my teacher has told me make pair, then think about like one, which number square is one. So one, so I'll go one 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 plus one two, so this will get cancelled. Okay, so I'll then what left, 23 I'll get. Then it will go by which number? So one. I hope you remember. Okay, so 21, this is 2. So this is the way how we are learnt in school. But guys, if you think that what you have learnt in school and that will help you to solve the questions, that will help you to clear cat exam or any other exam, then you are in illusion. Because the reason is that this is very simple question. What is the square root of this? This is square root of this is 11,111. Now you'll ask me how I know that. How I know that? Because thing is that we are studying this from our childhood. Because if you have noticed or not noticed, 11 square is 121. Then 111 square is 12321. Okay, 1111 square is 1234321. Then 1111 square is 123454321. Why this? So I can prove this by binomial theorem, or I can prove this by taking a plus b whole square logic and all. You want me to do that? We can do that. We can spend considerable time doing all these calculations. But really, does it really want to do that? Nothing. We just should know this parameter. If you know this framework, then solving this kind of question become a cakewalk for you. Clear, everyone? Are you getting this fact? Any question from anyone? So things are there around us, might be or might not be, we are not noticing or not noticing these things. I'll give you more examples than this. Like 33 square, 33 square is 1089. Okay, what is 333 square? 333 square is 110889. Okay, what is 3333 square? That is 1110889. I hope now you got the logic. Okay, so similarly, what is 66 square? 66 square, if I'm not wrong, is 4356. Okay, what is 666 square? That is 443556. What is 6666 square? That is 44435556. You can easily do further. So tomorrow, if you are getting some kind of question where if somebody is asking you what is the square root of this, so then don't think that like I'll sit and start doing it by my traditional way or how I have studied mathematics. I'll apply that logic and get the answer. If you do like that, definitely you'll get an answer. If you're good in maths, definitely you'll get an answer. If you want to use calculator, you feel free to use calculator. But what matters is the time. The time what you will consume in getting the answer would definitely will vary, will definitely will challenge your ability to clear the exam. Because those people who set the paper, they assume that you should know these facts. 99 square is 9801. Okay, what is 9999 square? That is 998001. What is 9999 square? That is 9998001. So these are some form of analogy what our ancestors have long back have introduced when they talked about Vedic maths. There are lot of textbooks are available. If you want to excel, you can read them and you can get to know. And definitely these things will help you in day to day sense. Like one day it happened to me, one of my friend was telling that I took a printout of 36 page, and every page was like every printout had a 6 pages. So I see you're asking, imagine how much pages I've taken. I told him that you are taking 216 pages, because 36 is 6 square and 6 is 6 to the power 1. So that is nothing but 6 to the power 3, that is 216. So we don't know. I just give you one basic example. It happened to me very recently. So I just give you very basic example that we don't know, but the tables, the parameters, what our teachers or our elders have taught you when we were kid, like in the form of tables or whatever, square, cubes, definitely that gonna help us. Okay. Any question, anyone? You're getting this fact, everyone? Okay, so I just gave you some example of Vedic maths and all. Furthermore, if you want information, I'll definitely will teach you some other day. So here we're going to talk about something called percentage. Right from the childhood, everyone in the world used to analyze us or used to anticipate us based upon the percentage, how much percentage we got. So I remember my days that our result used to come on 31st March, and that day my dad used to give me maza to drink. So and that day our result used to come. So although I never got very good percentage, but even then percentage somehow is always connected with us. So I hope you also will connect this with yourself. So again, coming to percentage, when we talk about percentage, what do you mean by percentage? So basically this word percentage is derived from two term called per centum. So it's a Latin word where it means centum means century. Okay, centum means century. Century means, you know, that 100. Per centum means per 100. So here we are talking in the term of hundreds. We are talking in the term of 1 by 100. So the question comes, why we need to talk in the term of 1 by 100? Just to make things simple around us. Okay, if you study biology, or imagine if you are studying nanotechnology and all, that time you'll talk in the term of 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, so there you talk everything in the term of nanometer. Okay, so if you're talking here in the general day-to-day life, we'll talk in the term of percentage. Percentage means it is 1 by 100. So when I'm saying 1 percentage, it means I'm saying that 1 by 100. I hope you are getting it. So if I'm saying 5 percentage means 5 by 100. Getting me right, everyone? So general day-to-day life, we talk in the term of percentage. Okay, so for example, like, you know, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So when Reserve Bank of India talk about changing the monetary policy, okay, what they do, they change in the term of, they change repo rate and reverse repo rate in the term of basis point. Okay, by the way, any finance students are there? Any commerce students? Yogi, all are engineering. Like, can you tell me the background and all? Whom I'm talking with? Is they are engineering students or science or management students? How they are?
Sir, the students are combination of all different departments, sir.
Okay,
Engineering,
okay,
management,
okay,
commerce, as well as other degrees also, sir.
okay. No problem. So, guys, have you heard of basis point, R CRR, reverse repo, repo rate? Have you heard of these terms? I hope someone would be responding just now. Okay, people are saying they have not heard of. So, okay, fine, doesn't matter. So if you know about Reserve Bank of India, I hope you know what is Reserve Bank of India. So I'm not going to ask you who is the chairman of Reserve Bank of India. Don't worry. I'm not going to ask you GK question. But if you know about little bit on economics and all macroeconomics, so when RBI make changes, okay, so when RBI want to counter inflation, or they want to play with growth rate of the economy, what they do, they make changes in the basis point. Where what is basis point? Okay, so some Asmat is saying that, yeah, he or she is from commerce background. So definitely, so you, when RBI make changes in basis point. Where what is basis point? Basis point is 1% of 1%. It's basically 10 to the power minus 6. So it's basically they do in the term of basis point. So okay, so like you, if your repo rate is 7.5%, so they'll say that we increase the repo rate by 25 basis point. So 25 basis point means they made it 7.75%. So there they will not say they made 0.25% they have increased. Okay, might be many people will not understand. So they will say in the term of basis point. What is basis point? Basis point is 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, 1 percentage of 1 percentage. Okay, anyway, just keep this in your mind. It might help you if you are from commerce background. If you are not from commerce background, also somewhere down the line, if you want to do management in your career progression, definitely you should know these terms. You should know what is inflation, what is disinflation, what is stagflation. Okay, so you should know these terms. What is recession? Okay, what happens in US? What happened in US in 2007? Why they flooded so much money into the market? Why certain economies are booming? Why certain economies are not booming? Lot of things are there. Anyway, so coming back to my concept on percentages, what is percentage, guys? Whenever we talk in the term of percentage, we talk in the term of 100. Okay, so when I'm saying 5% means 5% means 5 by 100. When I'm saying 20% means 20 by 100. Clear, right? So when we are trying to understand the concept of percentage, like if you see this question number 1, I hope this question is visible to all of you. Okay, so in percentage, what we do, we talk in the term of hundreds. Okay, so while talking in the term of 100, we'll try to make the thing simple around us. Like if you see this question number 1, I hope this question number 1 is visible to all of you. Okay, so what they're saying, when 75% of a number is added to 75, the result is number again. Find the number. Anyone, what is the answer? How will you do this question? So when 75% of a number, suppose a number is x. So when 75% of a number, so can I say that 0.75x? And a 75, if suppose my number is x, so what is 75% of that number? 75% means what? 75 by 100, no? I hope you are getting. Whenever we are saying percentage, percentage means 1 by 100. So 75% means 75 by 100. Can I write 75 by 100 as 0.75x? So when 0.7x of a number is added to 75, if you add this with 75, you get the number again. What is your number? Your number is x only. So can you solve this equation and quickly tell me the answer? What is your x value? And you know that if you bring something on LHS to RHS, the sign will change. So this if I bring this side, it become 0.75x. So 75 is equal to x minus 0.75x means 0.25x. Are you getting this fact? Everyone. So 0.25, what is 0.25? You know basic maths. 0.25 is nothing but 25 by 100. 25 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 4. Clear? So 75 is equal to 1 by 4x. 1 by 4x means x is equal to 75 forza. What is 75 forza? 300. Any doubt, anyone? So these kind of question actually comes in different competitive exam, where you just need to read the statement. Once you read the statement, you have to comprehend the reading part in the form of equation. Once you have comprehended the statement in the form of equation, then you just need to use basic maths and you solve it, you will get the answer. Okay, any doubt, anyone? Anyone is asking any question? Very good, Diana. Okay, everyone, very good. All the people who are responding the answer. Others who have any doubt with this question, the way I have explained, anyone faced any problem, please ask me. Is this clear, everyone? Those who have not understood, those who struggle to get the answer, now did I give you the proper explanation, or you want me to explain this question again? Everyone, how many students are listening to me, Yogi? Okay, so guys, please ask questions if you are not able to find to understand this. So I hope this part is clear. So
So there are about 120 students on the call.
Okay.
I think they've all understood. So if they have questions, they will ask here on the chat. Don't worry about it, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So question number two, I want you to solve. So when we talk about percentage, right? So in percentage, what we do, so so we discuss what we compare, okay, by whom we compare, what we compare, by whom we compare into 100. Okay, so this is the, what you say, the basic definition of how we represent the number in the term of percentage. So what we compare, by whom we compare into 100. So what I want to compare, I want to compare 1 by 4. 1 by 4 I want to write in the percentage of 25 by 9. Simple calculation. Can you solve this? How much you will get? The 4 will come down, 9 will go up. You know basic maths. So this will become 9 by 4 into 25 into 100. Now what is 25 4 is 100? This get cancelled, you'll get 9%. Clear? Any question, anyone? Anyone, any question?
No questions, sir.
Okay. So so can we go to the next question? Question number third. Question number third, what is the answer? Try everyone. Basic formula you can use to solve question number third. Income is equal to saving plus expenses. You know or you don't know, you can use this logic. Let me see if very good. Libu, Dina answer is not 20%, answer is 25%. Check again. What about others? Everyone please give me the answer. Question number third. If you are finding difficulty in getting that, please ask me also. So for these kind of questions, no, you can assume something. I can assume, let my income is 100 rupees. Okay, let my income is 100 rupees. If my income is 100 rupees, okay, then I spent 80%. So means how much I spent? I spent 80 rupees. Okay, if I spend 80 rupees, how much I save? I save 20 rupees. Okay, everyone. Question is that what percentage of expenditure does he save? So in the previous question only I told you one thing, that in percentage what we do, we say what we compare. So what I'm comparing, I am comparing my saving. Okay, what we compare, by whom we are comparing. So by whom I am comparing this? I am comparing this with my expenditure into 100. So what you have to do, 20 by 80 into 100. 20 by 80 into 100 is how much? 25%. Clear, no? So you question is that what percentage of the expenditure does he save? So question is that this saving what I'm getting, 20 rupees, is what percentage of expenditure? Expenditure means your expenses. So accounting wise, those who are from accounting background, they can say that expenses and expenditure are two different things. So expenditure is something, those kind of cash outflow where there's a possibility of generating a cash inflow, but expenses is the part and parcel of running any business operation. So anyway, I'm not getting into accounts here and just trying to make you understand this part that when you, if you are getting this kind of question, you should know the basic framework that income is equal to saving plus expenses. Here I'm assuming expenses, expenditure, both same thing. And then you just need to use your basic logic, you will get the answer. Clear? Question number third, everyone. Can we go to the question number fourth? Try question number fourth, everyone. So far we have done three questions. If you have any doubt in these three questions, please ask me. Question number four, please try question number four. Point 0.05 is what percent of 20? So again, what we compare? 0.05. By whom I am comparing? 20. So 0.05 by 20 into 100 means 0.05 with 5 za. 0.05 5 za, you know 5 za is 25. So 0.05 5 za would be 0.25%. So actually you don't have to use anything. You'll get the answer like that way. Clear, everyone? Very good, Sona. Lakshmi, very good. Bhavani, very good. And sorry if those have answered, if I am not able to tell your name. So I'm very sorry. Vittal, very good. Bhavani, Prince, awesome. Anjali, great. And you have to improve your speed, guys. And this kind of question you don't have to touch anything. You can just read the question, you will get the answer. Okay. So we are good to go. I hope we are doing the problem at very correct pace. Okay, we are highly motivated and we are doing great job. So let's try this question number 5. Everyone, let's try question number 5. Like the way we have done so far other questions, like that we'll finish question number 5 also. The number of seats for admission to a vocational course increase by 10% every year. Okay, if the seat in 1986 was 400, how much it become in 1988? Again, very simple question. We don't need calculator at all. Please do not use calculator for solving any of the question. If you are using calculator in my class, better please do something else. There's no point of you being attending my class. Okay, all the calculation, if it require, if it become complicated also, I will do manually. So I'm expecting that you also have to do calculation manually. Otherwise, what is the point of me teaching all this thing? Calculator can give you some answers. Question number 5. Okay, people have responded. Okay, Akash has given, Vittal has given, very good, very fast. Raghunath, very good. Lakshmi, very good. Libu has given. Padma Prakhi has given the answer. Very good, guys. So very simple. This is 400. If it increased by 10%, what is 10% of 400? That would be 40. So if it increased by 400, it becomes 440. Again, if it increased by 10%, what is 10% of 440? That would be 44. So how much this become? 484. Simple. And this kind of thing we'll do when we study SICI, compound interest. For this, we have a formula. Okay, the same thing when we study compound interest, we study a formula that future value is equal to present value into 1 plus rate of interest to the power time. Okay, so it is 400. It is increasing by 10%. After 2 years, how much it become? If you solve this, you'll get 484. And for again, we don't need formula. If you do by formula, well and good. We need formula when things might be complicated. When things are simple, we can do manually. Question number 6. The rate of inflation is 1000%. If something is costing 3 rupees today, if it's 1000%, okay, what is 100% of 3? Guys, what is 100% of 3? 100% of 3 is 3 only. I hope you are getting it. Okay, so 1000% of 3 would be what? It would be 30. Clear na everyone? So if something is of cost of 3 rupees, if it increase by 1000% means how much it will increase by? It will increase by 30. So now how much it will become? 3 plus 30. It will become 330. Sorry, it become 33. Now this 33, if it increase by 1000%, what is 1000% of 33? It would be 330. So now how much it will become? It will become 363. Clear? Question number 6. Clear everyone? Yeah, very good, Akash. So this was a little bit difficult. Not difficult means it might be confusing. It's not difficult. It was a little bit confusing. So that's why I thought better I will already. Okay. Can we do the next question then? I hope we are good to go. You all are understanding. Question number 7. Manilal invest 65% in machinery, 20% in raw material. Now he has 1305 cash left with him. So what is the original cost? What is the original total amount with him? So total, you think about 100 rupees. So 65 rupees he spent in machinery, 20 rupees he spent in raw material. So total he has spent 85 rupees. So how much rupee left with him? 15 rupees. So if you think in the term of percentage, how much percentage left with him? 15%. So 15% of something is 1305. What is that something? I hope you are getting it. So 65% he wasted in machinery, 25% he wasted in raw material. So total he has spent 85%. So now how much left with him? 15% of something, maybe X is 1305. So what is X? You can just do that. 1305 into 100 by 15. Can I write 100 by 15 as 20 by 3? है ना 1305 into 20 by 3. So is this 1305 go by 3? Yes. Okay, you know divisibility rule of 3. Okay, the sum of digits should go. So this would be what? This is 4 12, then 3 435. 435 into 20. 400 into 20 is 8000. Okay, 35 2 is 70. So 35 into 20 would be 700. So 8000 plus 700, that would be 8700. Done everyone? Very good, Diana. Others? Only one person has given answer. Okay, very good, Bhavani. Sorry, I missed Bhavani. Libu, very well doing. Vittal is giving answer very fast. I think with the moment I give the question, Vittal give the answer. Very good, Vittal. Very good, Akash. I hope I am pronouncing you people name properly. So if I make any mistake in pronunciation, you can pardon me for that. Try question number 8. Question number 8. Now this might looks little bit confusing for many of you. Okay, if I'm asking you this question number 8 question, this might look confusing or difficult, whatever. Okay, 37% of a number is 450. What is 87.5% of a number, guys? So for this, I just want you to remember this. Okay, I just want you to remember fraction to percentage. If you know this, you're good to pro in any field. Like, so 1 by 2 multiplied by 100, 1 by 2 means 50%. I hope you'll agree with me. 1 by 3, if you multiply by 100, you'll get 33.33%. 33.33 means 33 1 by 3%. Okay, 1 by 4, if I multiply by 100, I'll get 25%. 1 by 5, if I multiply with 100, I'll get 20%. Okay, everyone, you know this. Okay, you cannot say that, sir, I don't know this. 1 by 6, if you multiply by 100, you will get 16.67% or 16 2 by 3%. Okay, 1 by 7, if you multiply with 100, you'll get 14.285 something something. So you can remember this, 14.28%. Okay, then 1 by 8, you can remember 1 by 8 into 100, it is 12.5%. 12.5% or 12 1 by 2%. Okay, 1 by 9, if you multiply with 100, you get 11.11%. 1 by 11, if you multiply with 100, you'll get 9.09%. You have to remember these values. Clear? I hope you are writing down whatever I'm telling you. I hope you're sitting with a notebook and you're writing down these values. Clear? Can I go ahead? So if you know that 1 by 8 is 12.5%, okay, if I know that 1 by 8 is 12.5%, okay, so what is 3 by 8? 3 by 8 is nothing but 4 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Okay, what is 4 by 8? 4 by 8 is 50%. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. So this is nothing but 37.5%. This I want you to remember. So 3 by 8 is 37.5%. Similarly, if I ask you what is 5 by 8, 5 by 8 means 4 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So 4 by 8 is 50. This is 12.5. So 5 by 8 is nothing but 62.5%. Similarly, if I'm asking you what is 7 by 8, 7 by 8 means 1 minus 1 by 8. 1 is 100, 1 by 8 is 12.5, means it is 87.5%. So you have to remember these things. So so 1 by 8 is 12.5, you have to remember. 3 by 8 is 37.5, you have to remember. 5 by 8 is 62.5%, you have to remember. 7 by 8 is 87.5%, you have to remember. Very important. For competitive exam purpose and all, this is very important. Clear? Any doubt? Very good. Neha, Prakhi, very good. This part, yeah, Libu, very good. This part, did you get this part? What I'm trying to tell you? You have any doubt or any question? So you 1 by 2 is 50, 1 by 3 is 33.33. So 2 by 3 would be 66.67%. You have to remember 1 by 5 is 20. You should know 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is 40. 3 by 5 60. 4 by 5 80. 1 by 7 is 14.28. 2 by 7 is 28.57. You have to remember these values. Okay, 1 by 6 you know. Then 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is 83.33%. 5 by 6 is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 6. What is 3 by 7, 5 by 7, all that you know. Clear? 1 by 9 is 11.11%, and 1 by 11 is 9.09%. So here you have to remember the table of 11. What is 2 by 9? That would be 22.22%. What is 4 by 9? 11 fours are 44.44%. What is 5 by 9? 11 fives are 55.55%. What is 7 by 9? 11 sevens are 11 sevens are means 77.77%. You're getting me? What is 2 by 11? 9 twos are 18.18%. What is 3 by 11? 9 threes are 27.27%. What is 4 by 11? 9 fours are 36.36%. What is 6 by 11? 9 six are 54.54%. You're getting me? So in 1 by 9 multiple, you have to remember the table of 11. In 1 by 11 multiple, you have to remember the table of 9. So like 1 by 12 is 8.33%. So what is 5 by 12? 5 by 12, I hope now you can easily connect. 5 by 12 is 41.67%. What is 7 by 12? 6 by 12 plus 1 by 12, 58.33%. What is 11 by 12? 11 by 12 is 91.67%. You have to remember these values. 1 by 13. 1 by 13 is 7.69%. 1 by 14. 1 by 14 is 7.14%. 1 by 15 is 6.67%. 1 by 16 is 6.25%. 6.25 or 6 1 by 4. 1 by 15 is 6 2 by 3. Mixed fraction. What is 2 by 15? 13.33. In many competitive exam, they'll give you this 13.33 something. If you know this, you can definitely. What is 7 by 15? 7 by 15 is nothing but 14 by 30. 14 by 30 is nothing but 15 by 30 minus 1 by 30. 15 by 30 means 50%. 1 by 3, you know, 33.33. So 1 by 30 is 3.33. So this is 46.67%. Similarly, 8 by 15 is 53.33%. You have to remember this. If you do not remember, if you get that value also is fine. Somehow you should connect the dots. Clear? Any question, guys? So you have to remember as much you can remember. 1 by 17, 5.8823. 1 by 18, 5.55%. 1 by 19, 5.263%. 1 by 21, 4.76%. 1 by 22, 4.54%. So more you remember, more better you would be in calculation. Any question, Neha, Diana, Siddharth, anything you want to ask from me? Libu, Bhavani, Rani, Vittal, Sweta Sharma. Any question? Prakhi, Prince George, Praveen, Akash Yadav. Any question? Anjali. Anything, guys? This part clear with you people? You want to ask any question?
So I don't think they have any questions, or no one asked any question at the moment.
Okay, fine. Guys, please respond. We are living in a democratic country, so you can ask as many things as you want. So question number 8 again. So 37.5 means nothing but 3 by 8. 3 by 8 of something is 450. So I can write what is x by 8, 1 by 8, that would be nothing but that would be 150. Okay, so 1 by 8 of a number is 150. What is 87.5? That is nothing but 7 by 8. So if 1 by 8 is 150, what is 7 by 8? You just need to do 15 sevens. What is 15 sevens? 105. The answer would be 1050. Answer is option B. Done. Try question number 9. Question number 9. In a college election between two rivals, a candidate who got 40% was defeated by his rival by 160 vote. What was the number of vote polled? So they are talking about two-person only. The person who got 40% vote, so the person is defeated. So if the total is 100%, the person who got 40% is defeated by whom? Definitely the person who got 60% vote. Here assuming everyone is voting. So winner got 60% vote, winner got 60% vote, and the loser got 40% vote. What is the difference? Difference is 20% vote. Okay, that 20% vote is 160. 20%, if you understand, 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 of total vote is 160. So what is the total? Total would be 800. 16 fives. Done everyone. Please ask questions. Question number, if you are done with this, try question number 10. So I've done a lot of rough work around. So I hope that is not affecting your ability to read the question. Question number 10. I'll tell you the shortcut formula for these kind of questions. But I just want to make sure first everyone should read this question. Very good, Bhavani Vittal. 2.25% decrease. Yeah, correct. So when you are answering, you have to tell increase or decrease also, Diana. So when the price of pressure cooker increased by 15%, the number of cookers sold decreased by 15%. What is net effect on sales? So accounting wise, again, there's a problem. There should be question based on revenue. Anyway, so in maths, here I'll tell you a shortcut formula that when you're solving the problem on maths, and if C is equal to A into B, okay, like revenue is equal to selling price per unit into sales, okay, if your distance is equal to speed into time, distance is equal to speed into time, fine, if area is equal to length into breadth. In maths, when you're solving relationship between three variable, if the product of two variable is the third variable, if C is equal to A into B, and if A change by if A change by A percentage and B change by B percentage, B change by B percentage, okay, then net effect on C, then net effect on C, you please remember, their direct shortcut formula that C percent would be A percent plus B percent plus AB by 100%. So in maths, if C is equal to A into B, so if A changed by A percentage, B changed by B percentage, then the net percentage on C would be A percentage plus B percentage plus AB by 100 percentage. If it increase, use plus sign. If it decrease, use minus sign. So here the price increased by 15%. So plus sign, and demand decreased by 15%. So minus sign. So 15% minus 15% plus 15 into minus 15 by 100%. So this and this get cancelled. 15 square, 225. So minus 225 by 100% or minus 2.25%. So revenue will decrease by 2.25%. If you do not understand this, you can assume 100 and all. Okay, in case if you are finding this not very interesting, you want to do by traditional way and all, you're most welcome to do that. Take price 100, demand 100. Okay, then your revenue would be what? Revenue would be 10,000. Okay, so if your price increase by 15%, this will become 115. If it decrease by 15% demand, it become 85, है ना? So now what is your revenue? This is your revenue. What is your revenue? Now your revenue is 115 into 85. Multiply 115 into 85. So this Vedic maths way is also doing. You can just multiply 115 into 85. You can do that. I think if 8725 something, I'll get 25 2 carry, then 7, then 575, then this is 44 carry, 12, 920. I hope this is correct. 44 carry, 12, 12. Okay, 101. Yeah, 1, why it's not coming. So 115 twos would be 230. 230. Sorry, my pen is not working. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. So here this become 115 into 85. This is 575. Then this is 44 carry, 12, 1 carry. So this is 920. This is 757. So 9775. So how much this revenue will become? 9775, guys. So earlier it was 10,000. Now it become 9775. So how much it decreased, guys? How much it decreased? 10,000 minus 9775. So it will decrease by how much? It is 92. So 225. So what is the percentage decrease? 225 by 10,000 into 100. If you do that, you'll get minus 2.25%. Clear, everyone? Others, are you getting this? So you can do, if you want to do basic traditional way, you can do like traditional way, like that way. Or if you want, just remember this formula. If you remember this formula, it would be really nice. Means, then probably I can say that, yeah, you have learned something from this class. Clear, everyone? Please ask questions if you have anything. Question number 11. Try question number 11. In a certain examination, P scored 35% marks while the Q scored 40% marks. So which of the following statement is not true? Yogi, I hope I can take 5 10 minutes more. That would be fine with these people. They won't mind because
Sir, not a problem, sir.
Everyone, I hope you people are enjoying the class. You can give feedback about the class. Question number 11. P scored 35% marks, Q scored 40% marks. Please understand, if P is 35%, Q is 40%, you have to understand that the difference, Q is not 5% more than P. You have to understand this part. Q is not 5% more than P. You have to understand this part, guys. Or P is not 5% less than Q. So if the very important thing in percentage, if you make mistake here, then there's a problem. So here if P is 35% and your Q is 40%, okay, so you have to understand Q is what percentage more than P. If I'm asking you, Q is what percentage more than P, then how will you do? What we compare, okay, what I am trying to compare, that Q is what percentage more than P. So I want to compare the difference between Q and P. By whom I compare? What is my variable from which I'm comparing? I'm comparing in the term of P. So what we compare, by whom I compare? Q is what percent more than P into 100. So this difference would be 5 by P is 35 into 100. So if you solve this, this is 1 by 7% or 14.28%. Clear? So Q is what percent more than P? Q is 1 by 7 more than P. Please understand. Q is 1 by 7 more than P. While if I ask you P is what percent less than Q, then your answer would be 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 12.5%. Like the same way, if you solve, you will get this. You are getting it, everyone? So Q is what percentage more than P? Q is 14.28% more than P. And P is what percent less than Q? P is 12.5% less than Q. Clear this part? Like P is what percent less than Q, you can do that. Is this part clear? Others also please reply. Okay, so if you want, you can remember again. This shortcut is there for this. So in maths, if C is equal to A into B, and if C is constant, if C is constant, okay, here C is constant means A and B are inversely proportional. If two variables are inversely proportional, okay, so means if A increase, then B decrease. If A decrease, then B increase. You know that. What do you mean by inversely proportional? Those who are from commerce background, if they have any doubt in understanding inversely proportional, I hope this part is clear. So please remember 1 by x increase in A. If A increase by 1 by x, okay, it means 1 by x plus 1 decrease in B. 1 by x plus 1 decrease in B. While if 1 by x decrease in A, if A decrease by 1 by x, then B will increase by 1 by x minus 1. That will result in B will increase by 1 by x minus 1. So like if you see this, if suppose if A increase by 1 by 4, then B will decrease by 1 by 5. If A will decrease by 1 by 4, then B will increase by 1 by 3. This work in all the cases where the product of two variable is constant. This in the term of percentage, we say R percent increase in A will give R by 100 plus R into 100% decrease in B. And R percent decrease in A will give R by 100 minus R into 100% increase in B. If you want to do in the term of percentage. So if this is 1 by 7 increase, then this will be 1 by 8 decrease. If this is 1 by 7 decrease, then this would be 1 by 6 increase. Okay, so this work in all these cases. Like I'll show you an example. Okay, I'll show you an example. Yeah, see question number 21. If you see question number 21, so due to the due to the fall in manpower, the production of the factory decreased by 25%. 25% if it decrease production, if it decrease by 25%, how much I have to increase my working hour? I have to increase my working hour by 33.33%. You can prove this mathematically. You can take 100 and all those things you can do. You're getting me, right? Like similarly, yeah. Question number 26. If the salary of Ram is 33.33% more than Lakshman, if the salary of Ram is 1 by 3 more than Lakshman, then Lakshman's salary would be 1 by 4 less than Ram. Clear? So you can spend time. No, you can take Lakshman's salary as 90, then the Ram salary would be 120, means 33.33 is what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of 90 is 30. So Ram salary become 120. Then Lakshman salary is what percentage less than Ram? So that would be 120 minus 90 by 120 into 100. You're most welcome to do like this way. You can do like this way, you'll get the same answer. Up to you. If you want to learn like this way, shortcut way, you can do. Otherwise, if you want to use traditional way of getting answer, you can do that. I have no problem with that part. Clear? This question number 16. Due to the reduction in price by 33.33%, if the price fall by 33.33%, then your consumption will increase by 50%. So the price fall by 33.33%. So that means your consumption increased by 50%. So that 50% is given 25 apple. Because the price decreased by 33.33%, you end up in buying 50% more apple. 50% more apple is 25 apple. So what was the original apple? So original consumption was 50 apple. And now you are able to get 25 more apple. So now your consumption becomes 75 apple, and you're paying 75 rupees. So what is the price of one apple? 1 rupee. So if you don't want to do like this way, no problem. You take price P, consumption C, price decrease by 33.33%, then your price will become 2P by 3. Your consumption will become C plus 25. And again, you solve it, you will get, anyway, you will get this value only. Clear? Done, everyone? Yes, Shreyas, Abhidi, very good. Abhik, what about others? Any doubt? Prince, Varun, Daina, Sidesh, Bhavani, question. Neha, Vittal, Prince, Akash, any question?
Sir, I don't think they have any doubts, sir.
Okay, then
That's
I'll
all.
do one thing. Yogi, I'll share these questions with you. You can forward them. Let them
Sure.
solve these questions. So next
Perfect.
class when I'll meet, I'll just clear the doubts and I'll go ahead with that.
Sure, sir. Perfect. Cool. We'll do that then.
Okay, okay. Then can we end the class then? If
Yes,
nobody
sir.
have any problem. Okay, I just say thank you to all of you. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all very soon in the next class.
Perfect.
Okay. Should I leave then?
So
Yeah.
just a second, I'll just formally thank you and then we can.
Huh. So I hope, yeah, I could not
So
comb my hair, nothing. I just, it was raining. I just came and
no
started the
problem,
class.
sir. No
Huh.
problem at all. The most
Huh.
important thing is for you to take the session. Thanks a lot, sir, for doing this. I think all of them loved the session. Every single concept was clearly understood, and you've given enough examples as well. Thanks a lot, Amit, sir, for doing this. We'll see you in the next session, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Students, I will share the details over email as well as in the WhatsApp channel so that you can collect these questions and work on them. All right, perfect. See you. We'll see you everyone tomorrow. In the meantime, if you have any questions, again, I'll be there in the tables for the next 5 minutes, and then we will take it from there. All right, perfect. Thank you.